Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope everybody had a fantastic day of trading today. Just wanted to put out a quick video here detailing the performance in the portfolio. And you can see here another very strong day in the portfolio, ending the day in the green. You can see up top up 340.27, representing 0.33% of the overall portfolio in normal trading hours, with another very strong aftermarket trading session just like yesterday, up 382.23. 0.37% of the overall portfolio. And you can see here, starting the day off with some very good pre-market trading as well as after-hours trading. But during the trading session, quite volatile trading, at one point down 236.72 before rebounding in early afternoon trading, 658.03 at one point in the green. And a lot of this has to do with one stock in particular, PTLA. I've been talking about this stock for quite some time here, especially over the last 2 to 3 weeks. Portola Pharmaceuticals, a small biotech company, had some very good news come out with regards to an FDA decision going in its favor, approving one of its drugs to market and sell in the U.S. You can see here the one-day 10,000+ return on the portfolio, all due to Portola here. But you can see over the last week and month here, it's been trending up very nicely since that big FDA announcement here, which really propelled the stock up from 38 to, at one point, about 57 or so. It did trend back here a bit. I sold off about 100 shares. Wish I would not have done that. It really cost me about $1,400 so far with the increasing price of the stock here. And there's really a lot more room for this stock to go potentially. But I do want to comment on one thing regarding the stock. A lot of viewers in the channel have been asking if they should jump into Portola in their portfolios. And, you know, I'm not a stock market guru. I am not a professional trader, so anything that I do with my portfolio, please take into consideration the risk involved with doing those trades, because the stock market is all about risk. The more risk, the more reward. And it's especially true for small biotech companies. And very interesting article here by Kramer, really detailing this very, very nicely. You should really check out this article. You can simply link to it in the Robinhood application here, and it's really talking about don't risk it all on a small biotech unless you're willing to lose it all. And that's very, very true. A lot of these small biotechs can very rapidly increase in price, make you a lot of money, but they can also very, very rapidly lose a lot of their stock price if a particular FDA decision doesn't go their way, and or they have some other difficulties with regards to manufacturing and also selling the pharmaceuticals that they have in their particular company. So very, very high risk, high reward. This has worked out well for me so far. I went ahead and bought back when it was essentially a very, very cheap stock here. I jumped in initially around $19 or so. So I didn't quite hit that nadir there, but jumped in about $19 or so. I did have a few back when it was a little bit more pricey, about $26 or so, but the majority is about $24 to $26, I would say. So it's worked out very, very well for me. So even if this stock trends back quite considerably, I'm still going to be in the green, but very, very risky at all times with these small biotech companies. So please consider the risk when jumping into trades like this. Again, it's worked out for my portfolio, but it may not work out for your portfolio. So again, risk equals reward. And as they typically say with any trading on the stock market, be prepared to lose all of your money potentially. So just wanted to put that out there. A lot of folks have been jumping into Portola because of my performance, but again, my performance won't be necessarily representative of your portfolio. So it's worked out well for me, but I ended up jumping into the stock at a very good price point. So just wanted to quickly talk about that. There's been a lot of people asking me if they should jump into Portola in their portfolios. So I can't really comment on that. Just realize that it's a very, very risky proposition to jump into these small biotech companies. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on the portfolio here, talk a little bit about whether you should jump into Portola or not. Again, your decision, but small biotech companies, very high risk, very high reward potentially, but you can lose a lot of money if you're jumping into the stock at the wrong time. And a lot of the price movements in the stocks are not predictable. If they were, people would be jumping on board a little bit earlier. You know, this stock here jumped up quite considerably because this was really a surprise decision for most people, for most analysts. So it worked out for me, but again, it may not work out for you. So yeah, not to make the video too long, I'll kind of end it there. As always, appreciate your support on the channel. The channel has been growing like crazy. Definitely appreciate that. Absolutely astounded about how large the channel has grown. Definitely want to give thanks back to you guys. For that reason, I have the Amazon 10,000 subscriber giveaway. If you're not registered yet, you still have time to do that. We are rapidly approaching 10,000 subscribers, so very happy about that. Please link to the video in the description below. Put Robinhood 10,000 in that video. Be a subscriber, like the video, and you will be eligible. And like I said, I'm going to be doing that when we hit 10,000 subscribers. There's also another video. I do not have it linked in the description below, but really asking you guys if you want to do more gift cards, lower value, or larger gift cards, and not so many viewers will get those. So 2 different ways around that. Take a look at my video last week. That's really soliciting advice from you guys, or questioning you guys whether you want to do more gift cards, lower value, or fewer gift cards and higher value. So also comment on that. There will be a $10 gift card with that particular video, separate from the 10,000 subscriber video. So yeah, appreciate the support. Like, share, and subscribe if you're so inclined. Yeah, kind of without an end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.